To me, high country equals high living, and I struggle finding any fifth wheel combining high living at a reasonable payment more than the Keystone Montana High Country. The Montana High Country is a full profile fifth wheel with a lot of floor plans and a ton of amenities that'll have you wondering why you're heading back home after spending time on the road having fun. You want to learn everything about them? Well, you have come to the right place. I'm going to show you some amazing features on the inside and outside, talk about their construction quality, and then speak on what it takes to tow a Montana High Country fifth wheel. So let's get into it, starting with the living room. Stylish, right? It's really the best word I can use to describe the Montana High Country living space. You'll get everything you need to feel right at home. You'll have decorative hardwood slide-out fascias, and the accent crown molding just really set it apart. Now, a big part of being comfortable is being able to properly control temperature. Montana High Country comes with dual 15K BTU Coleman Mach Series ducted ACs, with one of them having a heat pump for electric heat. They also utilize Blade Pure technology, which cools quicker, is quieter, and utilizes standard residential air filters for easy and effective air filtration. To keep you warm on cold days, a High Country has a 35,000 BTU furnace with in-floor heat ducts and a 5,000 BTU decorative electric fireplace. The flooring is bow floor vinyl throughout and Syntec woven flooring in the slide-outs. You won't find any carpet in here. And to keep things tidy, a Montana High Country comes with a central vac. For furniture, you'll get Thomas Paine theater seats with electric recliners, plus a trifold hide-to-bed sofa. In some models, you'll get 2 trifolds, which means you can sleep an additional 4 guests if you so choose. You'll get a nice booth dinette with storage to complete your furniture setup, or you can opt for a freestanding table with 4 chairs. For entertainment, you'll get a 50-inch LCD TV with a stereo plus speakers inside and out. For reception, you can count on the Keystone exclusive Key TV multi-source signal controller, plus the Montana High Country has 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep. The true beauty of a High Country really shines, though, when you enter the kitchen. The sandstone maple cabinetry with shaker-style doors and hidden hinges, along with the urban charcoal accents and hardwood trim on the island, plus the pendant-style island light with ceiling treatment, make the kitchen absolutely stunning. The drawers have ball-bearing drawer guides that are full extension, so the struggle to get out pots and pans is going to be non-existent. All the countertops are true solid surface, and the oversized stainless steel sink with removable solid surface sink covers is undermounted. The high-rise faucet is as beautiful as it is functional, with a sprayer to quickly clean fruits and veggies, plus aid in cleanup. But probably the most impressive in the entire kitchen is the GE Energy Star 18.6 cubic foot fridge and 2,000 watt inverter. That's a true residential refrigerator, ensuring you have more than enough cold storage. If you prefer, however, there is an optional 16 cubic foot 12 volt fridge as well. For cooking, the Montana High Country makes it easy via a residential size GE 1.6 cubic foot microwave and a 24-inch Furion stove with oven and matching stainless steel drawer to drop in a pan or two. You'll also find a power vent fan with rain sensor to quickly remove odors and smoke from the kitchen. High Countries have a great bathroom. You'll find a nice undermount sink, or sinks in some models, mounted in the decorative seamless vanity. There's a porcelain foot flush toilet, which is easy to clean, but the highlight of the High Country bathroom is the shower. Most floor plans come with a residential 30 by 48 inch one-piece fiberglass shower with a glass enclosure. And as you can see, there's a huge skylight in the shower, which helps add a touch of headroom as well as natural light. You can also enjoy a long shower thanks to the Girard on-demand tankless water heater. The bedroom features a king bed, so there's plenty of room to stretch out. You can opt for a queen bed if you want more room in the bedroom. However, every Montana High Country has a bed slide, which in my opinion already creates quite a bit of space. The mattress is a Lippert Duo Memory Foam mattress, plus you get a decorative bedspread and pillow package, and on both sides of the bed you'll find USB and 110 outlets. There's plenty of wardrobe storage since the cap in most models offers a large closet with some shelving and washer and dryer prep too. Great for us who would rather do our laundry in private. Plus, most will also give you a dresser, which is a welcome addition. The exterior of the High Country features more ride step above steps with strut assist. The strut assist is honestly huge as it ensures the steps won't fall down on top of you, and it helps lift the stairs with the use of just one finger. Up front is the massive garage storage with an oversized slam latch door, so big you can almost create an echo. For easy setup, there's 4-point electric auto leveling with hitch memory. Hitch memory helps you line up the kingpin to your in-bed hitch a lot easier, plus it has hitch vision with LED lighting in case you need to leave in the dark. Inside the front compartment, you'll find the 12-volt distribution box to house this sea of wires along with the battery disconnect. There's also a second battery disconnect for the residential size fridge with the dedicated inverter. You'll find 2 30-pound propane tanks on the High Country and at least 1 awning, possibly 2. They're going to be Power and Lippert Solera, plus they'll come with LED lights. The slide-outs also have awning toppers as an option. The windows are tinted safety glass, but some models can be ordered with optional dual-pane frameless windows. Both types are going to be great at helping to keep the sun's rays from baking the interior. For excellent peace of mind during travel, Montana High Country models come with G-Range tires, plus you'll get a full-size spare. Those tires are affixed to a 7,000-pound Dexter Gladiator thick wall axle with upgraded springs, plus you'll get never-adjust brakes. In the rear, the Montana High Country provides a rear ladder, backup camera prep so you can install a camera when you want, and a towing hitch with a 4-pin receiver capable of handling 3,000 pounds. Check and make sure that towing something behind your fifth wheel is legal in your state before you hook anything up. For solar, every Montana High Country is equipped with Solar Flex Protect 220, just 220 watts of solar on the roof, with some models being equipped with Solar Flex Discover 440i with 2 panels, a 2,000 watt inverter, and battery monitor, plus an option to add Dragonfly energy-heated lithium-ion batteries via Keystone or to Camping World Service Center. You'll have 50 amp service plus generator prep is optional, as is a propane generator. Up front on the utility side, you'll find the convenience center. Here, you'll find your water connections, black tank flush, outside shower with quick connect hose, 110-volt outlet, shutoff valve, key TV, satellite and cable hookup, and more, all in one place. As a side note, many models will also have an outdoor kitchen. Also, if you like camping in the off-season, you'll love the fact they all come with a 4-season living package. This package is tested and approved for 0-degree usage and includes dual attic vents, heat pads on tanks, heated convenience center and dump valves, reflective foil insulated front cap, and astrofoil insulated slide floors and underbelly that'll keep you out enjoying the outdoors longer. There's just so much to say about how well the Keystone Montana High Country is built. I'll start on top, the roof. It's a fully walkable roof with the Alpha Seamless TPO membrane system. The Montana High Country walls are welded aluminum framed walls, as is the floor, with the walls having 2-inch thick laminated sidewalls, having dual layered Luan, high gloss fiberglass, and a double insulated laminated rear wall. Underneath, you'll be happy to know there's a 10-inch I-beam frame with Z-frame technology that provides massive storage while not sacrificing any structural integrity. Digging deeper inside, you should note the Montana High Country has true fit slide construction, providing a solid seal to keep water out and ensuring color match from the slide to the main body. They also use tough lock thermoplastic duct couplers to prevent crushing and leaks in the AC. You'll find an insulated enclosed underbelly with forced hot air and electric tank heaters, and those tanks are seamless rotocast. Every Montana High Country also has color-coded unified wiring, which takes the guesswork out of it in case you need to do some electrical adjustments. For easier towing, Montana High Country comes with a Road Armor shock-absorbing hitch pin and Road Armor suspension with 360-degree vibration control. Lastly, in the front, you get max turn front cap with Key Shield automotive grade paint. That's a lot of just great solid construction. So now, let's get into towability. Even though a Keystone Montana High Country is a full profile fifth wheel, they can be easier to tow than a long travel trailer due to weight distribution. There's no denying they are not lightweight. In length, a Montana High Country stretches from about 34 feet to 43 feet. In dry weight, they tip the scales from over 11,500 pounds up to nearly 14,600. And remember, these are unloaded weights and no one ever goes empty. As such, you're going to need a bigger truck. Safe to say, a 1-ton truck is going to be able to handle them, but there are 3/4-ton trucks like the Ford F-250, Chevy Silverado 2500, and Dodge Ram 2500 that with the proper trim level can get your Montana High Country to your desired location. Check your towing capacity via the owner's manual or check it at your local Camping World when you go to check out the Keystone Montana High Country for yourself. Happy RV shopping and happy camping.